I'll take you through how I do my high key headshots with two lights. One in the background, that's using one light as the background, and then this beautiful beauty dish from Photobox as the key light. Make sure you watch to the end because you're going to learn a lot. We'll be using the SK300 Mark II as a background light. It's fixed in a 160 centimeter umbrella with a diffusion. So this will hit the model from behind. Let's have Ulasi here. Hey, there she comes. Kache, kache. Okay guys, so this is Ulasi and...
What's up guys? What's up? Ulasi,
as she said. I want us to build this step by step. So since we are using two lights, I would want us to build the background light first before we introduce the key light. So I have my settings on shutter speed 1/60th, f8, and then ISO 100. So I'll take a test shot with all the lights off so that we'll see what we already have. Okay. Now we have some light coming in, and I would want to kill that. That's the modern light from the SK. So let's take another one. I've increased it to shutter speed 200. Let me turn the SK on. Okay, but in the meantime, we turn the key light off. So let's take a picture with the SK on. Okay, so that's just the background light. Now, I think it's creating some dramatic things. See, it's drawing this highlight around her face and then her clavicles and her shoulder. That's exactly how I want it. Now, we would have to reposition the light so that this thing at the back here will disappear. And I think the light is a bit low. So let me increase it up a bit, and then we'll take a test shot. So let me move it to 1/4. Okay. Let's take a test again. And okay. All right, so I think this is also a bit too much. So let me go to 1/8 plus 7. Okay, so let's see what we get. All right, this is good. I like the drama and all that. So this is just the background light. We are going to introduce the key light, which is the AD600 in the beauty dish. Okay, let's turn it on. Move it here. Raise this up a bit like this, coming from the top. All right, let's fire this and then see what we get. Okay. All right, so this is way too bright for me. Now the power over here is 1/4. Now one thing you want to make sure of is that the background light is almost at the same ratio as your key light. That way you have a good balance. So obviously here we have the background light at 1/8 and then the key light at 1/4, which means the key light is overpowering everything. It's cancelling everything that we built over here. So we'll decrease the key light to 1/8 plus 7, and then let's see what we get. Okay. Boom. Now this is what we have. So you can see we've balanced the light. So this straight out of camera looks good, but it looks a bit too bright, and there's some kind of like foggy look. That's some haze. Now with Capture One's new feature, which is dehaze, we can try doing that in post. If you look over here, there is this new dehaze feature, but I want to get a clean image out of camera. I don't want to apply any settings here yet. So let's go ahead and tweak the light. So let's make it just 1/8, no plus 7. Okay, that looks better. Is that your color? Or I've made you dark?
Okay, so lastly, give us some wild pauses. Okay, good. Now let's see what we have. All right, so you like everything. Now let's roll. Cool. And you know what? Let me take something with your cup. Show me. Alright, so okay. Cool. Alright, so just sit straight like this. Yes. Just something like that. Let's see what we can get. Okay. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, like that. Cool. Take it like that. Awesome. Let's see if. Okay, this is looking good. Let's keep it up. Awesome. Yeah. So, same but then just look nice here. Yeah. That's fine. Awesome. Same thing, but then just look like showing up like you're looking in the light. Okay. Awesome. Let's see. Alright, that looks fun, but now just sit back. Good. Yeah, that's good. Your chin is up too. Yeah, good. Okay, eyes to me. Yeah. Okay. That looks okay. So let's add your hand in this area. Okay, I must admit I miss my 85. It's always been out, but today I have it before. So you guys get the idea. One light behind the model as the background. So this gives us a perfect white. And then it gives us some dramatic highlights around hair. This is very useful when you have, let's say, 2 modifiers, but you don't have a white backdrop. So you can just convert one into a backdrop. So you have it behind your model and it acts as a backdrop easily. So that's what we have for you today. If this has been helpful to you, don't forget to like and then subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I hope this has been informative for you and I'd like to thank you for watching.